Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find all the surfboards in the docks mission for the Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. So let's get started. What you'll need to do is to Jim Gordon and just comment up right here. Now you can change back to the Batman. Alright, now what you'll need to do is just go right here and you'll find the surfboard right here.
Better find a safe way past. Quickly, Gordon. Give me a hand.
Okay, now you'll need to push this cart, as you can see right here. And you'll see another surfboard right here in front of you. So just go and take that surfboard. But before that, just change to Jim Gordon and basically comment up those gears. Now just change back to the Batman, take the surfboard, okay, right here, and use your shrinking to break that. Now just switch to Gordon and comment up these, and you'll see another surfboard. But before, just take it out those enemies. After you take these bad guys, you'll need to go near the truck and just follow the path, and you'll find another surfboard. Just take this guy out. Okay, now just break this surfboard. You'll get 4 out of 5. And right here, near this little cart, you'll find another. So there's the truck and there's the cart. And you'll find the surfboard right here. So break that surfboard and you will collect all the surfboards.